Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will going to start a new topic operators in Python. So in the last video we discussed about the typecastings and why we need the typecasting. If you haven't watched it, please do watch. Don't forget to subscribe my channels and click the bell icon for the future updates. Without wasting the time, let's begin today's topic. What is an operator? An operator is a symbol used to perform operations on values or variables. So types of the operators, there is multiple types of the operators: the arithmetic operators, relational comparison operators, logical operators, assignment operators, bitwise operators, membership operators, unity operators. This is all about the operators we will discuss step by step in coming videos. So let's start with the arithmetic operators. So what is the arithmetic operators? Arithmetic operators used for the mathematical calculations: additional, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponent, floor division. All are arithmetic operators. Let's do the programming. For the addition operator, we are using plus. So let me create the two variables. A is equal to 20 and B is equal to 10. I'm printing here. So let's run this program. Open the terminal and run the command here, Python, and file name here arithmetic.py. So now you can see here the addition for A and B is equal to 30. The subtraction, we are using the minus sign. Subtraction for A and B, A minus B. Then what will be happen here? Now you can see here subtraction for A and B is equal to 10. Okay. Now let's do for the multiplication. For the multiplication, we are using asterisk. Multiplication for A and B. So A multiplication of B. Let's run this program. So what will be the output? Now you can see here multiplication for A and B is equal to 200. For the division operator, we are using forward slash. A divided by B. Then what will be the output? Now you can see here division for A and B 2.0. For the module operator, we are using the percentile. Percentile what doing to returning the remainder A percentile B. Then what will be the output? What will be the remainder? 20 divided by 10. What is the remainder? 0. Let's see here. Modulus for A and B is equal to 0. The next operator is exponent. For the exponent, we are using the symbol double asterisk. I want to calculate the value 2 to the power of 3. Then how can do that? Then you just write this 2 double asterisk 3. Let's run this program and we can see the answer. Now you can see here the 8. 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. The next operator is floor division. For the floor division, we are using double forward slash. What is the floor? Floor value actually greatest integer that is less than to the given number. Suppose you have the value 5.4. Then what is the floor value? For this one, the floor value is 5. Floor division for A and B. Then what will be the output? You can see a floor division of 2. Why? Because the 20 divided by 10, so returning here the 2.0, so that's the reason the floor is 2. If we want to calculate the seal value, then how can achieve that using the floor division? The seal value is smallest integer greater than or equal to a given number. So suppose that you have one number 5.4, then what be the seal value is 6. So how can achieve the seal value using the floor division? So minus what the value 5.4 floor division by 1. Let's run this program. So what will be the output? It should be return 6. Let's see here. Now you can see here the CIL value is returning 6.0. Let's do some scenarios on arithmetic operator. If user trying to add number to float, or number to string, a number to boolean, a number to none, then what will be the out? That scenario let's cover with the help of program. I am taking here the number 5 plus float number 5.6. First one I am taking as a number, and second one as a taking as a string. The number plus number string like 2 or 3. Number 5 and boolean I am taking as a true. Number plus boolean I am taking as a false. And another scenarios, number plus none type. Let's run this program. So now we can see here number plus float returning here 5 point plus 5.6 is 10.6. The second one, number plus string 5 plus raw, is throwing the error. So and the other ones not executed because the Python is using interpreter. Okay, let's comment out this one and run again. Yeah, now you can see here also the next line, number plus string 5 plus, I'm taking a string but I'm passing here the number, that one also throwing an error. Let's comment out this one also. Let's run again. Plus boolean 5 plus true is equal to 6, and 5 plus false taking 5 because false always taking as a 0, true always taking as a 1. And the last one, number plus none type 5 plus none, you can see here the throwing error. And the rest of the operators, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponent, floor division, you can just create a scenarios and do the practice in your system. If you find any issue or if you have any question, please add your comment so I will solve your problem. The next videos we will cover relational comparison operators. So thank you for watching. That's all in videos. Thank you.